Are you trying to reach wealth level 5 and it's not working for you on Poppo Live? Hello, welcome to Gladys YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you why you can't reach wealth level 5 on Poppo Live. The first thing you have to know is this: you have to be very active on the app. Only active members is worthy of getting to level 5. Apart from being an active member, there's amount of coin you have to purchase in order to get this level 5, which is 66,000 coins is required for you to upgrade to wealth level 5. In order to purchase this coin, you just have to click on the coin option found at the profile icon of your screen. So right here, all you have to do is to click on the top up option. Now, in order to be able to buy the coin worth of 66,000, you just look at these options here. You're going to see the third option that says $9.99 will give me 70 coins. So I just have to click on it and complete the process of entering my details or of my MasterCard or debit card or even credit card. Having done that, the next thing I have to do is this: go out from the coin. Now, purchasing the coin does not mean that you're going to upgrade to your wealth level 5. After purchasing a particular amount of coin required for you to get to level 5, you can now join a live stream by clicking on any of the live stream options here. So right here on my live stream, so right here on this live stream option, all I have to do is to click on the gift option. So on this gift option, you are going to see varieties of gifts. You just have to click on the particular gift you want to send to this person. Let me say I want to click on gift gallery. So this is how gift gallery looks like. You're going to see different gifts option and their words. You just have to select the particular one. And note, before you be able to get to this wealth level 5, you have to spend the amount of coin required. That is, since 66,000 coin is required, you have to buy the coin and spend it in a live stream before you be able to progress to the next level of your choice, like wealth level 5. If not, you will not be able to progress to the next level, like wealth level 5 or any other level you want to progress to. So guys, that is why you can't reach wealth level 5 on Poppo Live. Make sure you are active. Make sure you purchase enough decent coin. Make sure you also spend the coin on the app, and also that is only what you have to do in order to make sure that you be able to get to wealth level 5. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.